Hello everyone, welcome back to QSlick's channel. In this video, I'll show you. Today we are talking about how to receive money on PayPal. But you want to know how to receive money on PayPal. Well, maybe you have got your Paywinch from the international payment and you just want to use it, right? So today I will show you how to receive your money on PayPal easy. So the very first thing we have to do, of course, we have to open the PayPal, right? So hit to strike it here correctly. And after that, we have to open the PayPal mobile application here. And as it open, you can see in the bottom, after registering your account and all that, you will see the two options, send and request. So basically, if somebody have sent you the money, you can see in the giving option. Right here on the bottom, you will see that if somebody have sent you any bin. But if somebody have not sent you any binage, you can request it, right? So you can see on the home button, just click on the request. And after that, you have to search that your client, or if it's a family number, there will be a name, right? That's why if he or she is having the PayPal account, then only he can send you money over the PayPal. So you have to you have to write the username, or you have to write the email, right? And after that, for example, this is a person. I can just write the amount, whatever the amount I want to request. And after that, you can just write the messages here and just click on the next. In this state, then this message will go and in his account, and he will come to know that you're asking this much of money, right? And after that, he can send it. So this is very easy, very stable. If they want to know how to receive money on PayPal, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to receive money on PayPal, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.